Hi ladies, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show how I wash my wigs. That's a dirty wig and it's ready to be washed, and I'm going to use 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner by TRESemmé. It's a cleaning and replenishing product. I'm going to add the product directly into the water and make a lather. Then I will soak the wig into that water. And for the most part, I will be using my fingers. Then I'm going to add some more product directly to the wig. And then I will gently wash through the wig with my fingers. So I wash from the top to the bottom. While I separate, I'm trying to always hold the middle part as I wash. There was a lot of makeup on the lace, and that's why I will concentrate on that area a little bit more. Using my fingers, I'll gently rub the lace to try and remove all that product. And as I do that, I wash the inside lace and the outside lace, making sure I remove as much as I can with my fingers. And I do it gently because the lace is delicate and I don't want to rip it. There's a little bit of glue. All that needs to be washed out. Now I'm using this toothbrush, and you can use any soft brush that you may have to try and clean the lace further. And I'm really not using a lot of force. I concentrate on that area until I get a clear lather or a clear foam. That way I'll know that the product has all been cleaned off the lace. This one is so good, I barely see any hair falling out. You see how it's becoming much cleaner? Yeah. And the leather is white. Okay, then I'll start to rinse the wig, making sure I remove all the shampoo and conditioner. Now the rinsing process can be done more than 2 times. You want to make sure all the product is removed from the wig. So I will rinse more than 2 times until I get clear water. See, all that water still has soap in it. And then this one is clear. So I make sure all my final water is clear and there are no bubbles. Just like that. Then I'll know all the product has been washed out of the wig. Then I'll squeeze out excess water gently from the top to the bottom. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and add a leave-in conditioner. I love conditioners. They are great for the hair. I use a generous amount of the conditioner. Conditioners help the hair to remain softer and easier to be managed. And they protect the hair from breaking. So with this wig, I'll put a generous amount because it's a leave-in too. And then I will cover the wig with a hair cap and let it to sit for about 3 hours because I'm not going to be using any heat on it. I will leave it in that cap for about 3 hours, and once the 3 hours are done, I will remove the cap and let the hair to air dry. I rarely use heat, even on my real hair, so I do the same with this wig because it's 100% human hair, so I want to protect it and keep it for as long as I can. Now that's the finished product. That's the hair when it's dry. That's how it looked, and I love the fact that it still maintains curls even after washing it. Totally awesome. That's how it is when it's dry, and there's no product to it yet, but I'm going to add some products. Now I'm going to add some mousse to the hair. Mousse helps to add volume to hair, and it often provides a conditioning and a hold without leaving any build-up. And while I'm putting the mousse, because I'm going to wear this wig in a middle part, so my hands will tend to move in halfway the wig. Like I'm making a middle part with my fingers on that wig as I'm adding the mousse, if that makes sense. But you can style this wig in any way. The side part can also be achieved, even the back part. And then I added Hair Curl It Up by Marc Anthony to help with defining the curls further. It's such a great product for this. So once that was done, I used Holds Curl by TRESemmé to help keep the curls in the hair for long. Okay, so that's our final product. That's how our hair has turned out. I love the curls, and all the products that I used in this video can be bought, can be found in Walmart. And if you are in a place where you cannot get these exact products, you can use, these are not a must use, you can use an equivalent, provided they give you the curls or they hold the curls. You can use any other product. Now, we sell this curly bob wig on our website, zillions.com. Check it out. It's 100% human hair. It hardly sheds any hair, just like you saw when I was washing. It does not tangle, and this hair comes in different sizes. It is such a beautiful piece, so that's why I take good care of it. So, we have come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love the video. I will see you in our next video. Cheers.